nice coolers, everybody's drinking, no one's wigging out or doing anything crazy.
Like they do in America.
Right. No, like they're saying that we can't handle it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We're walking real fast. Let's slow down.
I don't think I can zoom in like that either. Trying to hit you. I wonder if that's why Tulum is supposed to be better, or whatchamacallit.
You think the beach is better or something?
Where did we go?
Tulum.
You think their beach is better?
Honestly, we really weren't on the beach that much, so I can't speak of the beach.
It's true. We need to rent a car, I guess.
Yeah.
It's just spending that money. I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying we can't do it. I'm just saying, yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, we don't need a big one because we're not moving.
Right, right. Yeah, it did get all rocky.
It's less clear, too. Like
Yeah. Look, even the water, yeah, like you said, even the water changed color.
Yeah. So now I know where we need to go to the beach when we do go, like, and get in.
Way back there?
Yeah.
Where it was busy?
Is it not busy here?
That's true. Yeah. If you do that, you're going to have to rent one of those nice cabanas. I'll be on board with that.
Yeah.
Because there ain't no way I'm going to be out in the sun like that, like they were. What, the sun?
Yeah.
It would be if it was on you right now, though.
It is on there.
Some food, some drink, some weed.
Gracias.